everyone. Today, I want to talk about how I get to school every day. My school, Thăng Long Secondary School, is not very far from my home, so it's quite convenient. I usually ride my bicycle to school. I like my bicycle because it's fast and also very healthy. It helps me exercise every morning and get some fresh air. It only takes me about 10 minutes to get to a school by bike.
Sometimes, if it's rainy weather, my mom or dad takes me to school by motorbike.
They usually drop me off at the school gate. I don't really like going by motorbike when it's raining because I might get wet. I like riding my bike because it makes me feel energetic and ready for school. It's also eco-friendly, which means it's good for the environment because it doesn't cause pollution. So, riding my bicycle is my favorite way to travel to school.
And then the dog just ran straight through the sprinkler.
Seriously, I wish I had seen that. That's hilarious.